Now I'm starting on a new project here. I'm working on these back rollers. Let me show you how they work. So these rollers sit at the back of the harvester, only supposed to help bring sticks off the back of the machine. You can see in here, there's an auger and brings the fruit from this end all the way across to here. Now this piece here sits right on the back of the machine here. The auger brings the fruit, which is coming from this big floor conveyor belt here, down the auger across into that little chute there. That plate there blocks that off, and the fruit then gets brought up and across the machine and out the other side. But herein lies the issue. When these rollers are working, sticks that get caught, the sticks that fall onto the conveyor belt, come back and get jammed down here. We've got a bunch of these pieces of steel we're going to weld in there every so often. So weld one there, quarter turn, weld one there, quarter turn, weld one there. You get it. So hopefully, if any of those sticks get caught at the back here, like that, just sitting there, these lugs will come around and yank them out, help them roll across the back here. Hopefully that goes well, and yeah. This thing drips so much. Okay, this first roller is done. Look at that. Damn. Hey Harry. Come over here and put your fingers in this.
Okay.
Ooh, ouchies.
Ouchie, ouchie. Give me a good. Oh shit. We both should put a sign on that.
You reckon?
Put a sign. Oh. Oops.
Oopsie dipsies. Look at that.
It's like, oh, geez, it's a little bit sticky.
Fuck off with your fingers, or your fingers will be fat.
That should be the sign.
Give it some beans, come on.
Did you give it a taste?
No.
That's diesel.
Definitely diesel?
It's definitely diesel, yeah.
Right, okay. Yeah, okay. So we just need a bit of fuel hose and...
Looks a bit like that. It's part of the problem. It's just not holding pressure, I think. It's like this, I think it's a pressurized roller that goes through the injector, and this is on the way out through a little one-way valve. Probably not getting much pressure, so...
This thing sucks ass. So I need to try and get... I've shortened it now. I need to get that piece on there. But I've got limited movement of those hoses back there. I don't want to kink that top one up there. And this tech screws in there just to pry open these clamps to try and slide the bloody thing on. I'm having a hard time. I think I might need to make this one a little bit longer again, and then make a less of a kink there, because I can't quite get that on properly without stretching and kinking that. What are you doing here? That's it. No. Get out! Come on! Get out! Good girl. We're fairly sure this belt is the one that's slipping. You don't want to add a belt.